Dominate the gridiron in college football 25 by mastering the game-changing switch stick controls. To begin, navigate to the main menu of college football 25. From the main menu, locate and select the settings option. This is typically found towards the bottom or side of the screen. Within the settings menu, you'll need to find the controller settings or a similar option related to gameplay controls. Look for a setting specifically labeled switch stick. It might be a yes, no toggle, or a selection between different control schemes. Select the switch stick option and confirm your choice to enable it. This will activate this powerful new way to manage your players on the field. So what exactly is the switch stick? It's an intuitive mechanic that allows you to effortlessly cycle through your eligible receivers or defensive targets by using the right analog stick. When you have possession of the ball on offense, flicking the right stick will instantly highlight the next available receiver in a direction you choose, allowing for quicker and more precise passing decisions. On defense, the switch stick lets you rapidly change your focus to the nearest offensive threat, helping you to better anticipate plays and make crucial tackles. To truly master the switch stick, practice is key. Spend time in practice mode, focusing on quickly cycling through your targets both offensively and defensively. Pay attention to the visual cues on screen that indicate your current target. This will help you develop muscle memory for faster adjustments. Experiment with different stick movements and timing to find what works best for your playstyle. With consistent practice, the switch stick will become second nature, giving you a significant edge on the virtual football field.